getting paid, setting up Shopify payments and PayPal. Once your store looks good and has products, you need a way to accept payments from customers. This is obviously a very important step. Shopify makes this relatively easy with its built-in payment processor, Shopify Payments. If Shopify Payments is available in your country, it is usually the best option to start with. It integrates seamlessly with your store, and the setup process is straightforward. You will need to provide some business information and bank account details where your earnings will be deposited. To set up Shopify Payments, go to the Settings section in your Shopify admin dashboard, then click on Payments. From there, you can activate Shopify Payments by following the on-screen instructions. It allows you to accept major credit cards directly on your store. The transaction fees are competitive, and managing payments and refunds is done directly within Shopify, which simplifies things. Make sure all your information is accurate to avoid any delays in getting your account approved or receiving your payouts. This is your money, so double-check everything. In addition to Shopify Payments, it is highly recommended to also offer PayPal as a payment option. Many customers prefer using PayPal because it is familiar and they trust it. Offering PayPal can increase your conversion rates because it gives customers more choice and a sense of security. You can easily integrate your PayPal business account with Shopify. Go to the Payments section in Shopify Settings, and you will see an option to add PayPal. Follow the steps to connect your existing PayPal account or create a new one. Once both Shopify Payments and PayPal are set up, do a test transaction if possible. Some payment gateways allow you to do this in a test mode, or you can make a very small real purchase yourself and then refund it to ensure everything is working correctly. Confirm that payments are processed and that the money appears in your respective accounts. It is crucial to ensure the payment process is smooth for your customers. Any friction here can lead to lost sales. Getting your payment gateways set up correctly means you are ready to start making money. Marketing your store on TikTok and beyond. You have a store, products, and payment systems. Now you need customers. Without marketing, no one will know your store exists. For dropshipping, especially with trending products, TikTok is a powerful marketing channel. You can use both paid advertising and organic marketing strategies on TikTok. Organic marketing involves creating engaging content that showcases your product naturally. This could be videos showing the product in use, highlighting its benefits, or user-generated style content. It costs time, not money directly, but can be very effective if your content goes viral. For paid advertising on TikTok, you will use the TikTok Ads Manager. This platform allows you to create targeted ad campaigns. You can define your audience based on demographics, interests, and behaviors. Start with a small daily budget for your ads. You don't want to spend a lot of money until you know what kind of ads work best for your product. Create short, eye-catching video ads. TikTok users prefer authentic, engaging content, not overly polished corporate ads. Use trending sounds and styles if they fit your brand and product. The key is to grab attention quickly. When running TikTok ads, focus on a clear call to action. Tell people what you want them to do, like shop now or learn more. Link your ads directly to the product page on your Shopify store. Make the purchasing process as easy as possible. Beyond TikTok, consider other marketing channels as your store grows. Search engine optimization, SEO, can help people find your store through Google. Email marketing is great for building relationships with customers and encouraging repeat purchases. Social media platforms like Instagram and Pinterest can also be effective, depending on your niche. Don't put all your eggs in one basket. While TikTok is great for finding trending products and initial marketing, diversifying your efforts is wise in the long run. Start with what you can manage. If TikTok is your focus, learn how to create good content for that platform. Track your results. See which videos get views and engagement. See which ads lead to clicks and sales. Marketing is an ongoing process of learning and adapting. Be prepared to experiment and see what works best for your specific products and audience.